Hey, what's up, digital artists? Do you want to color your digital art fast? So you try to use the magic wand tool or bucket tool to save time, but you just can't color under those stupid outlines? So instead you just color your drawing by hand and it just takes forever to fill in? Well, don't worry, I have a way around that. Here's how to color a picture in 30 seconds instead of 30 minutes. So here I have an outline of my drawing on a layer above my background layer. So now I'm going to add a layer in between to have a color layer to color my face. I'm also going to add a background that's green instead of white too. Though it may be easier to use a transparent background than just a green background. I just do it for color difference. So if we try to use our bucket tool on the color layer, it will color the whole layer instead of my face. So let's make sure the bucket tool is set to all layers so it considers the outline layer when filling in the color. Though that's not going to matter at all, because if we zoom in and turn on our green background layer, you'll see that there are green areas around the outlines. In order to color the area around the outlines, we'll need to use the magic wand tool and select the area. Now if you're using Photoshop, go to the tabs at the top and select Selection, move the cursor to Modify, and then click Expand. You can now expand the selection by a certain amount of pixels. I usually do 1 or 2 pixels depending on the size of the outline. Deselect, turn on the green background, and you can see there's no green around the black outlines anymore. Woo! Different programs have different ways of expanding the selection, so hopefully you'll be able to find that out. The bigger your outline is, the more pixels you need to expand the selection by in order to color under most of the outline. One huge thing you need to keep in mind though is that this method might not know sharp or acute corners, so you're going to need to color the corners yourself. Still saves a lot of time than doing it by hand though. If it helps or you need help, just let me know in the comments. If you like this video, you can check out my other content and leave a like and subscribe. And hopefully I can make more tutorial videos. And goodbye!